All right, we're going to do part 2 of that video. So let me start here. On the right, you see a button that says print in unit. We don't usually hook these up to a printer. And when it comes to units, we almost always want to use grams, so there will never be a reason to use that button. Number 2, I should say before we go any further that this is a balance, not a scale. A scale measures force or weight or newtons. You'll use a scale at home if you want to know how much you weigh, or in physics you'll use it, but in chemistry we work with mass. So we get the mass of an item, and we do that in grams or sometimes milligrams. So really you wouldn't say I'm going to go weigh this. Technically you would say I'm going to go mass this. Okay, next thing, when it comes to finishing up. Now we have finished up here, and we got the mass of some sugar, and we also got the mass of the weighing boat. And so let's say we are done, we are off to go to our next station, and we come over here and we take this, and let's say we're ready to leave now, and we walk away, and we don't do what we should do, which is zero the balance. We leave it like this. When the next group comes up, oh, here they come. They get up here and they look at the balance and they say, oh, hopefully they will notice it's not zero, and they will come over here and balance it first. But let's pretend they didn't. And let's pretend they were supposed to get the mass of this pen. And they put it on there, and that pen comes out to be 5.74 grams. Looks like a realistic answer. And they go ahead and write it down. In reality, let's find out what the mass really is. If we zero it like we should have, or they should have before they walked away, and now we find out the mass, we realize that it's quite a bit different. It's about 25% heavier, or has 25% more mass than we thought it did when we did not zero it. So that is something important to remember. And last, I have a joke for you, but I will tell that in class because it takes up too much time on the video, and then it's too hard to download. So I'm going to sign off for now, and maybe we'll get to that joke in class. It's a joke about balances. All right. Thanks for watching.